Morning, good morning. Che neren dia len che na noir na cha ba kamal. Ta ga matot man ba la ta ka dung noir ka dung kor but I you know Sudan there. And then I will talk to some chuluk hardest. Again noir ka wan che ner anu ko ngat che manyal ka nasar. Uni special noir media core a core. You need to know that. Kor here dungar, kor nagana. By judge, all brand judge. Jenta kor. You cannot win every day. No. Even day merkama, day USA, la ja judge. Jenta kor. Branak or bayinak. We kor ngaji ye go that bayinak all branak. Brand judge. All by Jojaran. Binyan would me big a year or banyan guyar would me. Janta kor. Again, even USA, the top military in the world. They with our USA, they the boom nigger all over the world. La ja Joja. La ja Joja year Paganasan. Sila America is going with nuclear might in date which you look at it more than la ja Joja. Lana Lia. You may have a gun. Tiga might did it, but more the Laran. Bainak. Why am I saying this? La loy kune jek misinformation with social media. Shadwell Noire the Jang or Shana George Kalas, and then you become hopeless. You become hopeless. Logie. No. Agent Takor. Either by Nuk, all Branak, Banyan Guyar, all Banyaranjar. Branjuj. All by Jojaran. Kor a catch. Take the alternative social media, more of them kakach. Especially Pekuma. Charonak Kenyan Kuma for social media that you become hopeless. That Chanuara de. No, that Nuara Joji come on. Laza je was kuna goda Nuar la ja Joji come on. I just like Nuara because you want to do things in short period of time. No. Give yourself a time. Give yourself a time. Give yourself a time and you're going to be all right. You're talking about changing the government. A bit, maybe about government change. A maybe, especially year in Dorkel, ala Noir. What about Noir Kulu? Man, Ladita, you should be proud of yourself every day that you're doing well because entire court Noir Kalu. Just imagine Loden Noir Kulu. You're talking about changing the government. It will take time. It will take your life, it will take your money, your energy, your children to get where you want to go. No, relax. You're doing well. You're doing well. You're doing well. If somebody's not doing well, government is not doing well. Now, government, jale tayar, jale debamni, jale yo. Oh, yet you are defeating him. You should celebrate that. You should celebrate and give yourself time. Korom moike daman. Slowly, you will achieve your goal. You will listen to a lot of things. We walk link to social media. Cha duel shot, cha gadnak. Agenta kor shangar. Why do I believe in Nuer? Because I know that you are a survival. But one thing, Riek Noir, that you don't give yourself a time. You want to do it now. No. When you try to change the government like this government for Juba, it will take time. But the man. And those time, not every day you will do well. No. Sometimes you down, sometimes you up, sometimes you down, sometimes you up until you get where you want. That's why Kawai girl take your time. Wherever you are in Nebraska, you are in Toronto, Canada, you are in Melbourne, you're working with a white man. Supervisor, work smart, not harder. Work smart, not harder. Take your time. Shala matok zede, branchol, lo, fulana, my teammate, give me a hand. Teamwork. And you think you can just pick it up and go. No. What happened? Something like that is, you try to pick it up and then you have a back problem. You will never come to work tomorrow again. Otherwise, you now look how that's one problem of black man is this power rising to something. I want to do it now. No. That's why Africa is so poor today. Like, we want to do it now. Power now. It's about this. Take your time. Kawaida Bogolek, Pimalda Chokol, teamwork. Work together. Take your time. Lo Shokol Fadal. Tomorrow we'll come back for overtime. Oh yeah, tomorrow we'll come back for overtime. Chi years go Kuma Wale. Chi Kuma Juj, Chi Tega Duor. Celebrate that. Forget about what Kuma will do tomorrow. Celebrate Mente to Wale. And then give yourself a big bid in your shoulders. I'm the man. I'm fighting government. And I'm winning. And I'm one tribe. And not even one tribe. Just not even half tribe. Just imagine Lord Nwer you can guard from Malwai.